Welcome in this tutorial about how to use my add-on select by shape. You can open an end panel and find select by shape. You can see it there. And then you get this panel. You select the object you want to select its copies and click on a find same shape. It will find same shapes, as you can see. You can switch between them. You can center to every selected one of them, or you can deselect all of them or select again all of them, so you don't have to manually click on all the stuff. You have some tolerance for some, for instance, polygon changes, like if there is something like this, it's supposed not to choose. So if I add their tolerance, it's choose the object. Like if I cut in this object, it will not choose any other because there is difference in it. So that take us to the ignore scale and rotation. If we uncheck those, it only select the kitties which with the same scale and the same rotation. Yeah, because I changed this parameter, it won't select other ones. At ignore scale, it selects everything, every kitty, which is not rotated. If I add ignore rotation, it will select the rotated kitties. Same for the boxes. Now they have same scale, different rotation, it's take them. If ignore scale, it's take also these smaller ones. And if I uncheck all of that, you can see it's only take same boxes. Yeah, there's a tolerance, so that's the thing. But if I put tolerance lower, then even those are not selected. You can see it also make this little list, so you can select from the objects. You can see how many the objects is there. It's more for solving of hero objects. If you have too many stuff you need to place by hand, and then you get lost in it. For instance, you have trees or stones on some environment, and some of them are rotated, some not, and you don't want those who lay on a plain earth and want there only those who are on walls. For instance, you can just check uncheck ignore rotation, and it selects the select one of the straight ones, and it will find every single one of them, and then you can do whatever you want with them. For instance, delete it. So that's all for this. Thank you for watching. Hope this add-on will be useful for you.